Yung binabanggit niyo po ma'am na pag-fact check ano ng ibang media organization dito sa mga fake news na nagkakalat, sapat pa po ba yan na ginagawa na rin naman nila sa ngayon para labanan itong fake news? Kasi nakikita ko sa mga posts and comments, pagka nag-fact check ang isang media organization, sa comment section, di pa rin
O yung mga
naniniwala ang
o
ilan
hindi
eh.
lang yung media, maging
Oo.
itong mga grupo po,
Ahensya,
'no?
oo.
Itong mga grupo na mga fact checkers, 'no?
Mm.
Gaya ng grupo nila, ma'am. Go ahead.
Yes po, itong fact-checking na ginagawa na po ng ilang grupo sa ngayon, media entities, even the government ginagawa yan, sapat po ba yan? Kasi nga kahit na mag-fact-check, hindi pa rin naniniwala ang ilan.
Okay, I have to admit na sa experience namin in the 2019, 22, 2022 election, na-overwhelmed din yung fact-checking groups. Yung resources kasi ng mga fact-checking groups are just sometimes too limited to deal with this deluge or sabi natin tsunami of disinformation. So what we can do is we try to make sure that we have presence in all social media platforms, and we also connect ourselves with groups in the grassroots or the communities na fact check din. In other words, I have to admit na kung massive na yung networks of disinformation, mahihirapan din yung fact checking groups. So what we should do actually as citizen is to make sure that yung fact checking groups, yung mga ginagawa nila ay ma-amplify. At
Mhm.
saka tayo ding citizen, we should also equip ourselves with tools to be able to detect disinformation. In other words, fact-checking should be the job of every citizen, and we should democratize the tools of fact-checking to be able to reach uh, the grassroots, and pwede nating turuan yung mamamayan how to fact-check that on their own, they can easily detect manipulate the disinformation.